So if your AutoMower is starting to sound a little bit more like a traditional lawnmower with this sound right here, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. When this started happening, I flipped over the AutoMower and didn't see anything out of the ordinary other than some buildup. I tried removing it, however this was not the problem. I then contacted an official seller in the area who told me to check and make sure that all the blades were still installed. I flipped it over and checked it out, and sure enough, one of them was missing. Apparently this imbalance is what causes the noise, so as soon as you put on a new blade, it will fix itself. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.